बोलता हूँ मैं, मतलब you are not able to guess what is going to take place
Sir,
in today's class, and you are saying that
sir,
sir,
we
we
can guess.
will tell you, then you will not do that thing, and you will change that.
Sir,
This is just an excuse. Can any one of you predict?
Yes, sir. Sir, मैं
Yes.
सर आज स्पीकिंग स्पीकिंग होगी और या सर रीडिंग होगी.
या फिर
सर रीडिंग.
sir,
यस,
मेरे को कुछ बताना है.
अभी आउट ऑफ कॉन्टेक्स्ट तो फिर बाद में बात करेंगे. देख, बोल, पता चल.
आज ड्रैगन 15 में से
हाँ,
हमको किसी एक मिला था, है ना? तो मेरे को मिला व्हाट डज लीडरशिप मीन टू मी. टाइम लिमिट थी 3 की. मैं 3 की जगह 5 मिनट बोल दिया, फिर भी बोले ही जा रहा. अब
हाँ.
फिर मैम ने मेरे को रोका कि बस इतना ही है, इतना ही बोलना है.
अच्छा.
और बाकी सारे बच्चे आए, एक सेंटेंस बोले, मतलब खुद का नाम बोले, टॉपिक बोले, और फिर सीधे चुपचाप खड़े हो गए.
हाँ.
और 2-3 बच्चे थे जो और एक लड़की थी और घर से रट के आई. सारे पहले उसने गूगल से छाप के लिख दिए, और फिर उन सब 15 के 15 को रट के आ गई. और है ना, कुछ 2-3 बच्चों ने सही सही ढंग से बोला था.
You got the prize.
हाँ,
हाँ.
प्राइज नहीं था.
वैसे
वो
तो
होती है ना PT2 की एक्टिविटी 5 मार्क्स की,
ओके.
वो थी.
So okay, very good. Sounds better. Sounds very nice that you are able to perform in your class. That is a nice thing. Congratulations. And it is
सर
all because of your hard work, because of your learning in a proper way. So, my dear ones, today you have to, or we have to think about a topic in general. And the topic is that
Penny.
a few minutes ago I told you that though there are a lot of problems that we face in our daily life, in our daily routine, there are so many problems, and you know very well about them, like accidents that we talked on Saturday, pollution, traffic problems. So there are so many problems, sanitary problems, law and order problems. There is too much crime. We know very well about them. But you know, there is a great problem that we face everywhere. You know, it is not so easy to move on roads. There is so much crowd, and sometimes there is the situations of traffic jam. Traffic jam, you know very well. Sometimes it takes too much time to reach our destination. So there are many reasons that why we face the problem of traffic jams. You know very well. So you have to think about it. That according to you, what are the reasons of traffic jams? You can take out your notebook and your pen so that you can write down the notes, the important things. So those who are anticipating that today's topic is speaking or reading, so they should note that today's topic is not speaking and not reading, but it is listening first. Then it may turn into speaking. But today you have to listen. That now you start thinking, what do you think about the causes of traffic jam everywhere? It is not so that you always remain at your home, but sometimes or many times you move out outside of your house, and you face this problem too much. So according to you, what are the reasons of it? So I think there are so many reasons of it, but now are you able to think over the topic? Can you tell me the first reason of it? First means maybe second or third, but if someone tells first, that's this, so that would call the first point. Is there anyone who can tell me the reason of any one reason?
Sir, lack of focus.
Lack of focus. This
Sir.
suits to accident.
Sir,
Yes, lack of focus, but this is what.
high amount of uses of vehicles.
Sorry.
Sir.
High amount of uses of vehicles,
Very
transport.
good. There are so many vehicles on roads. This is a point. You can write it down.
Sir.
एक मिनट आराम से धीरे धीरे. There are so many vehicles on roads. You know. This is also a
Sir.
reason of traffic jam. Any other reason? Yes.
Sir, lacking of highways.
Lacking of proper roads, lacking of highways, lacking of linking roads. Yes, this is also a reason. You can note it down. Hurry up, because I don't know what will happen in next minutes.
Sir.
So you may write it down. Yes. Yes.
सर मैं बताऊं सर द
एक
रोड्स
जना one by one.
यस सर द रोड्स हैज fallen short.
Sorry.
The roads have fallen short.
Fallen short मतलब
सो मतलब छोटी
पतली रोड है, सकरी रोड है.
सकरी रोड.
the roads are not wide, narrow. You can say it.
यस सर.
Okay, yeah, this is also a reason that
Sir.
Hey, just a minute, not like this. Roads are narrow. Yes, very good. Any other thing?
सर
एक मिनट ऐसे नहीं, ऐसे तो गड़बड़ हो जाएगा. मैं नाम बोल दूंगा, वो बता दें अपने अपने पॉइंट्स. गौरव.
yes sir. Sir means not understanding that what will happen if we do this move.
Okay, there is the lacking of traffic sense. People do not understand that how will their wrong driving may react. Yes. Yes, hurry up.
सर मैं बताऊं.
हाँ.
सर ड्यू टू सम कंस्ट्रक्शन साइट्स.
Very good. Sometimes there are so big constructions, so because of them, roads are jammed. Yes. Very good. Yes.
Sir, some people don't focus on driving. They busy on their mobile phone.
It may be the reason of accident. Yes.
Sir.
Sir,
Population are increased day by day.
Population is increasing. That's why the vehicles are increasing. Very good.
The condition of
the other point is encroachment. Encroachment का मतलब अतिक्रमण. Some shopkeepers put their things on the roads. This is also a reason of traffic jam. You can see it. Yes.
sir, wrong driving मतलब
Wrong driving, very good. Wrong side driving is also a reason of traffic jams. Wrong parking. You know, you can see that on roads people park their vehicles in front of shops and in both sides. This way they disturb the traffic. Yes, anything else?
सर एक्सीडेंट.
Sir, overspeeding on
Accidents is
single
also a
lane.
reason. Sometimes there are accidents, so the road is blocked. Very good. Anything else?
Sir, overspeeding on single lane road.
Sorry?
No, sir, ये तो accident हो जाएगा.
So now I think you are ready to speak up on the topic. Yes, hurry up. बोलो.
Sir, wear headphones.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश, बोलो। लिमिट एज की वजह से भी, यस, लिमिट एज की वजह से भी छोरे 10-10 साल के छोरे छोरी गाड़ी चलाते हैं आजकल। बताओ सड़कों के ऊपर, ये कोई बात है क्या? यस,
Sir,
एनीथिंग
मैं
एल्स? बोल बोल। Okay, now start giving your names for speaking on the topic. Hurry up. Hurry up, hurry up. Today's topic is uh, traffic jam. The reasons of traffic jams and the solutions according to you. And we have discussed it 10 minutes. So now I think you are ready to speak on the topic. Hurry up. Yes, I have got the names. Very good. ये कौन नाम है भाई? बेचारा, बेचारा तो कोई नहीं हमारे यहाँ पर. Yes, come on, Rakshit. So I'm calling Rakshit. Rakshit is the first speaker of today's topic. Come on, Rakshit, hurry up.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Akshit Maurya, and today I'm telling on the topic that is traffic jams. As we all know that traffic jam is one of the biggest problem for the world, because as the population is increasing, there is the problem of traffic jam is also taking place at many places, like because because if the because the population is increasing, so the amount of vehicles is also increasing,
Number
which
of vehicles,
lead.
not amount. Number of
Okay,
vehicles.
sir. Number of vehicles is also increasing, so it leads to high traffic jam, because there is a lack of land and there are more vehicles. So the traffic jam can get happen, and and like this, there are also many reasons for traffic jams, like lack of big highways, and sometimes there is some construction sites and the roads get blocked, so there got one way to go the place. So सर, वो सर दो लाइन होती हैं सर आने जाने वाली, सर उसको क्या बोलते हैं?
Tracks बोल दो, roads, tracks बोल दो.
Okay. Okay, sir. The coming and going tracks get merged, and there is the one way to go. So so by this traffic jam also get taken place, and and but we should try to decrease the traffic jams. For this, we should keep some precautions, and to decrease the traffic jams, there are government gives a job to the people, that is the job of traffic police, which helps people to which helps people to get rid of the traffic jams and can go to their way
शाबाश.
in a right manner.
दूसरे को, very good. Yes,
and but this is the responsibility of all the people who are running their vehicle on roads, that make they should not make traffic jams. They should try to decrease the traffic jam, because if all the people help in this process, there are very low chances of getting traffic jam. So, and sir, that's it.
very good. सुना करो एक दूसरे को. आप सुनोगे तो आपके thoughts बढ़ेंगे. समझ गए ना? Yes, come on, Arshit.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Harshit Moran, and today's my topic is traffic jams. As we all know very well, that traffic jams are very common nowadays in the world, and these are the most common problems we are facing in today's life. And there are many reasons. There are many reasons of traffic jams. Like we can see that people don't use their vehicles in a correct manner. If there is a single lane road, uh, they go they go in the wrong direction or takes U-turn without whether there is the board not to take U-turn. And we can see that uh, as the population of our country is increasing, so the number of vehicles are also increasing day by day, and this leads to high traffic, and the traffic may leads to traffic jam. And we can see that nowadays it is the that that small childs of almost age 10 to 15 are using their vehicles on the roads, which may lead to accidents, and that may also lead to traffic jams. And we can see that sometimes people park their vehicles on roads, and this makes difficult for the people who are passing through the road to pass and go to their destination, uh, and we can see that sometimes the condition of roads is very poor, and there are many accidents because of those things, and sometimes many people see those things and stop their vehicle at that place, and this may lead to traffic jam. And there are many solutions to prevent traffic jams, like we should uh, we should try to drive our vehicles our vehicles with a in a proper manner, like we should not take u-turn where there is not the board, and we should also we should not try to overtake other vehicles without horns, because this may lead to accidents, and all accidents may also lead to traffic jams. And we should follow the traffic rules, and also we should be careful about the traffic about the limitation of speed at the road. And we should also take the precautions that are enforced by the government.
Hmm.
That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, वेरी नाइस. सुना करो, बहुत अच्छे से सुना करो एक दूसरे को, आप इम्प्रूव कर जाओगे. यस, कम ऑन सुशील.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Sushil, and I am student of the Ramban on an interactive classes from 16. And today my topic is traffic jam. As we know that traffic jam is the common issue of India, and there are many reasons of it. First reason is the high number of vehicles,
वेरी गुड.
because when we go to when we drive our vehicles on the roads, we see that the number of vehicles is very high, and to control it for traffic police is very critical. And the second reason is that bad weather, because in the rainy season, sometime heavy rain, and the water gathers on the
शाबाश.
roads, and it causes to traffic jam.
Hmm.
And the third reason is lacking of focus
Hmm.
on the roads, because if people don't have focus, so definitely they will meet with accident, and it will cause to traffic jam.
Hmm.
And the fourth reason is the bad condition of roads, because they are because सर उसको क्या बोलते हैं, खड्डे को,
डिचेस बोल दो.
खड्डे होते हैं सर रोड के,
हाँ.
ये चीज. We see on the roads that there are many ditches on the roads, and it is also a major reason of traffic jam. And sometimes we see that sometimes we see that some children drive their vehicles not having license, or and also not having experience so it is also a reason of traffic jam. And the fifth reason is that sometimes some people sell their things on the roads, and
बहुत बढ़िया
it narrow the road, and and because of narrow road, vehicles can't go in proper manner.
हाँ
So now I am telling you that how can we avoid the traffic jam.
हाँ हाँ
So to avoid traffic jam, firstly we should follow traffic rules, and and government should repair the roads. सर नाली क्या बोलते हैं? नालियों को
नालियों को
नाली
ड्रेन्स
नाली
ड्रेन्स
yes sir.
हाँ
And government should also make drains nearby roads, so that in rainy season water can go outside outside from the city. And the fourth solution is people should not sell their things on the roads. That's it.
वेरी गुड यार शाबाश बहुत बढ़िया वैसे ही कोशिश करते रहो बस ऐसे ही ठीक है ना नाउ यू हैव गेन द एबिलिटी यार बात ये है कुछ भी तुमको दे दिया जाएगा तो यू आर एबल टू डू इट कोमल
Yes, sir.
बस टॉपिक
Hello.
थोड़ा सा फोकस करोगे तो चार चीजें आपके सामने आ जाएंगी कि हाँ ऐसा होता है रोजाना सड़कों पे आते जाते हो आप यस कोमल
Yes. Hello everyone, my name is Komal Barwa and I am the student of Ramban Online Objective Classes from batch 11, and today our topic is traffic jam. We all know that we live in India, and India is the biggest country, and India has much population, and in the so we all know that there are many people, so all people need many things, and there are many types of basic needs, and also vehicles are also need by people, and we in the there are many types of reason for traffic jam, like increasing population day by day, and also increase vehicles day by day. And we all know that there are many types of vehicles, like petrol and diesel vehicles, and electric vehicles also. And electric vehicles are also helpful for our decrease our pollution. And but vehicles are increasing day by day, so all people purchase many types of vehicles, like bike, scooty, cars, and etc. And we all know that if we purchase many vehicles, and also people purchase vehicles, so there is a many rush in the on the roads,
मच
and
रश मच रश थोड़ा सा ठीक करो बेटा हाँ कोई बात नहीं हाँ
there and there is a also a reason that lacking of concentration, and people don't focus on roads, so because they use mobile phone and headphones, so they drive their vehicles at a high speed and low speed, so they don't concentration at the time of driving and riding. And one more reason is that there are not proper roads and highways, and sometimes some roads are narrow roads, so people don't drive at good speed. So also that is a reason for traffic jam. And on the big roads and narrow roads, some people set up their shop
Very good.
for their livelihood.
Very good, beta.
And also there are many types of construction on the roads, so that is not good for traffic jam. And sometime people cross the roads, don't follow by zebra road.
Uh,
They they don't cross roads at any time.
very
That
good.
is not good, and that is also a reason for traffic jam. And we all know that some people drive their vehicle at wrong side, and this is also a reason for traffic jam.
Uh,
And wrong parking also a reason, because some people put their vehicles at everywhere, and they don't think that what is the effect of that put their vehicle at
very good.
everywhere.
Very good.
And and age is the also reason for traffic jam, because sometimes uh, boy and girls, they have no age to drive their vehicle, but they drive.
बहुत बढ़िया. हाँ.
And
समझ. हाँ.
and my last reason is that traffic police don't so ध्यान देने को.
Don't care.
Yes, sir. Traffic police don't care about the vehicles and traffic jams. Sometimes they have no concentration and focus on the roads and traffic jam,
हाँ.
and that is not good for us. And sometimes there are many reasons for accident, and we should follow all traffic rules. And traffic police have traffic police have also concentration on the roads and traffic
Should have
rules.
आना
That's
चाहिए
it.
ना. Traffic police should have. Suggestion कर रहे हैं ना.
Okay.
Okay. बहुत अच्छा बेटा. बहुत अच्छा बोला. Very good. Yes, Rohit.
Yes, yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Rohit Yadav. Today I am going to tell you about the reasons for the traffic jams. As you all know that nowadays there are a lot of vehicles in our surrounding, and every house has one or two vehicles, whether they are two-wheeler or four-wheeler.
Yes.
Everyone wants to show their wealthiness, and want to show that how much rich they are. So they buy a lot of vehicles with a lot of EMIs and insurances and insurances. Yes, sir. Then also they play that vehicles on the roads, and there are nowadays we can see that every time, whether it is night or the day, there are a lot of vehicles. Some are for transport, like the trucks we see are for transportation of the things, and some vehicles are for like taxis we see, which are doing their work. Some common people who are returning and uh, going to their work. So these types of peoples we saw on the roads, and that creates a lot of chaos on the roads, because as we know that our population is increasing, and the width of roads is fixed only. So there is a lot of traffic, and in undeveloped cities where flyovers and highways are not there, there is a lot of traffic, and government need to improve that so that anyone cannot face any problem in
No one
traveling
can
from.
face. Anyone cannot बोलेगा.
Okay,
No
sir.
one can face. ऐसे बोलना
No
पड़ेगा.
one can no one can face any problem while traveling from one place to another. So from my mind, I think that there are many reasons for the traffic jams, but we should not focus on the problem, we should focus on the solution. So I want to suggest that government should make more and more flyovers and highways for the fast transportation and traveling, and they should um, impose the traffic rules, strict traffic rules, so that anyone cannot break them, and no one cannot break them,
यार नो वन अच्छे
and
मतलब तो कहना है हाँ
okay, sir, no one can break them, and our country should be traffic free. That's it, sir.
थोड़ा सा फोकस करेंगे तो अच्छा हो जाएगा मतलब ट्रैफिक रूल्स के ऊपर या सर
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. How But my topic is reasons for traffic jam. As we all know, in today's generation, there are a lot of vehicles which are continuously running during the day and night, and due to which the roads are full from vehicles, and the persons are not able to reach their
मेरा
destination
आवाज
on
नहीं है
time,
बच्चों की
although they are having um, although they are having the fast
दिया
and efficient vehicles. Um,
आवाज आ रही है बच्चों की
there are a lot of problems which are faced during the transportation. One of the most disgusting problem is traffic jam, because it is very hard to pass a long long jam. There are many reasons for it, like we are not able, there are many shops nearby. uh, there are many shopkeepers uh, who open their shops near the roads, due to which the length of the roads decrease. There are also a lot of accidents, due to which the road is blocked, and we are not able to pass the road, and there are a long traffic jams. And the most and there are also many things. There is also noise pollution, which is created by jams, because all the persons blow their horns to show that they are late, and in this way a high amount of noise pollution is created. And as there is a sentence that we should not focus on problems, we should focus on solution. So the solution that should be implemented to stop the traffic jams are that there should be strict rules, highways and flyovers, so that there is fast transportation, and the people are able to reach their destination on time, and the country will grow more. And also we as citizens should work as active citizens. We should not break the rules. We should only be in our limits, and use the traffic rules to prevent accidents, and also to save our time, because hurry is for there's a state that hurry is for monsters, and if we will make hurry, then it will be our loss only. That's it, sir.
okay very good both of you yes come on Lakshmi where are you
Yes, sir. My name is Lakshmi Gujar. Today our topic is a traffic jam. Sir, traffic jam is a major problem in the world,
very good
and a traffic jam is a situation when vehicles are stopped completely a long time on the road, and 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 the vehicles have to wait long time on the road,
very good
and the city of biggest like Mumbai, Delhi have to face much traffic jam, and traffic jam can also be caused by some careless drivers,
very good बहुत बढ़िया बोल रही है शाबाश बेटा
and
हाँ
traffic jam can make people feel tired and
tired
frustrated,
कोई बात नहीं बोल
and traffic jam can create pollution and bad weather such as rain, snowfall, fog can impact driving impact driving condition and lead to reduce speed, so the traffic jammed, and a traffic jam waste fuel and time,
बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, very
while 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 the pollution in environment
हाँ,
pollution the environment.
pollute the environment.
And
हाँ, बोल,
yes sir,
कोई बात नहीं, बोल.
and roads are narrowed, no one want to go by bus, everyone want to go by their vehicles, they want to show their vehicles, and lack of big roads, and some construction work are going
Is going on. Arne is
is
going on.
going on, and people put their vehicles everywhere, and government should make pull and following traffic rules can also help
Very good.
to
बहुत
reduce
हाँ,
the traffic, and build more underground lines,
very good. हाँ,
and build roads in the sky, and encourage people take bus inside by their cars, and government should like the car सर उसको क्या बोलेंगे, कारों की दुकान मतलब कम करनी चाहिए गवर्नमेंट को.
Manufacturing कम करनी पड़ी. Government should make the policies to reduce the number of manufacturing of vehicles.
Yes
कोई बात
sir.
नहीं, बोल कर रहा है ना, बहुत अच्छा बोल रही है, very good. हाँ,
And there are much population.
हाँ,
That's it sir.
बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश, बहुत अच्छे बोलने लग गए बेटा. Very good. बहुत अच्छा. Yes,
Yes.
Yamini. Yamini, आवाज आ रही है पर कट के आ रही है, क्लियर आवाज नहीं आ रही, सही करो इसको फटाफट से. हम्म. आवाज आ रही है बट नॉट क्लियर.
Sir, now?
Yes, try to speak.
Yes, sir.
हाँ,
Hello, everyone. My name is Yashashvi Sahu. I'm the student of Ramban English Online Interactive Classes. Today, my topic is the major problem of world, which we can see on roads. It is traffic jam.
हाँ,
So, the science has given so many things. The vehicles are one of them. For using the vehicles on the surface, and this surface is called road. Uh, Sometimes the week so many because of so many vehicles, these these road become the jam, and
हाँ,
this is called traffic jam. There are so many reasons due to which traffic jam occurs.
शाबाश.
The reason which is most probability than others, which have most probability than others, the overload of vehicles. Nowadays we can see that the population is increasing day by day, and the number of vehicles also increases on the road. So sometimes it the roads become jam. becomes a jam. India is the greatest net of ports, and the India has so many highways, international highways, roads, Paki roads, Kachi roads, but all of this we have to face the problem of traffic. Uh, sometime we can see that because of politician rallies, uh, cultural rallies, and some other reasons, the traffic is sometime because of these rallies roads, there is no way to go here and there, so due to this the traffic also occurs. It is usual to read in the newspaper that the a 4 hours long jam occurs on this road, and this road. Because of traffic, there is a lot of problem which is take place, like the most harmful problem is air pollution, and other is noise pollution. And another, like the the of long jam, uh, the lot of time of man waste, and lot of fuel waste. Sometimes some important work are stopped in mid of the way, like a patient who 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 has to uh, reach reach on the hospital emergency, but because of the traffic he can't reach hospital. And another is sometime ambulance uh, ambulances or fire brigades, um, etc. vehicles stopped in middle of the way because of traffic. There, and there are so many other reasons also. So we use government uh, government vehicles more than private vehicles. That's it.
हो गया?
Yes, sir.
ओके ठीक है बेटा, कोशिश करो और थोड़ा ग्रामेटिकल और ध्यान दो बेटा चीजों पे ना. यस आदित्य, डॉन
Yes, sir.
आजा, डॉन आजा.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Aditya Donavat. I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from B18. Today's our topic is traffic jam. As you all know that now time traffic jam is very
आवर टाइम क्या होता है? हाँ.
yes sir, nowadays traffic jam is very big problem in the world. And now I give some reasons of the traffic jam. First reason is some people busy in their mobile phone and they don't focus on the traffic signal and all all and some cars uh, uh, some cars uh, waited to signal when the signal
वेटेड क्यों?
green.
वेट आएगा प्रेजेंट में तो बोलोगे.
Wait for signal when the signal green. But some people don't focus on signal. They watch mobile phone and they don't focus on traffic signal.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड.
This is the first reason of traffic jam. Second reason is some big vehicles turn left side and right side. So many vehicles cannot pass from the other vehicles. This is a very big reason. And third reason is uh, anyone, any truck accidents and uh, any accidents. This is very big accident. So many traffic is do. Mm. So this is the third reason of traffic jam. Now I say that capital, that state capital city where traffic jam level is very high.
Hmm.
Yes, sir. Now I say whose cities names, their traffic level is very high. There are so many cities in the world, but like Mumbai, Delhi, America, nahi, America, etc.
America is country, not city. चल आगे बोल, कोई बात नहीं.
Yes, sir. Anyone go to Mumbai? So many vehicles. So we watch that so many vehicles, and we don't overtake these vehicles because
Should not
the
overtake.
reason of accident. Yes, sir.
थोड़ा
And
pass करो. हाँ.
and we and this is a very big traffic jam city. And now time Delhi increase their traffic jam level, and so this is a very big problem now time. But now time government give job, nahi, हाँ, now time government uh, 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 give some traffic police, and these traffic police help to less the traffic jam. This is a very nice thing for all and other businessmen and many job persons. Last I want to say that never never overtake any vehicle and any transport. So careful for the traffic jam. Yes, that's it.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा बोला. अब आपको करना क्या है आदित्य, ध्यान से सुन लो. ये जो टॉपिक था जो आपने बोला है आज, इसको आप व्हाट्सएप पे लिख करके पोस्ट करोगे, ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, ओके. यस, नाउ गौरव.
सर
हाँ,
सर केवल आदित्य को करना है कि सबको करना है?
ओनली अभी मैंने केवल आदित्य को बोला है.
ओके सर.
करना होगा मैं बता दूंगा. ओके.
Yes, sir.
हाँ.
यस सर.
गौरव.
Hello everyone, I am Gaurav here from Raman Online Interactive Classes. My today's topic is traffic jam and their solution. So traffic jam is mainly caused by means not the cooperation between drivers or this or not good means not parking at good places, means parking at anywhere in middle of road, inside of road, in service lane or other places. Or if we are means just listening songs, and if we sleep between the drive and we don't know that a jam has occurred only because of us. So means there is also one problem that if you are making a turn, but from the road that you are making turn, so the opposite road, another vehicle wants to turn. So the road will be blocked for both.
So the whole people or vehicles who are waiting to to they are waiting to सर उसे कैसे कहेंगे कि वो वेट कर रहे हैं कि कब वो हिले
Huh?
वो वेट कर रहे हैं कि वेट कर रहे हैं उनके हिलने का
They are waiting. They may be waiting for their movement.
they will be waiting for their movement so traffic jam occurred but the solution of traffic jams is to make roads more wider and giving vehicles more space making another lane for two-wheeled vehicles or three-wheeled vehicles
Very good.
and four-wheeled vehicles
Blow loud.
and other vehicles and also making the traffic signs more abundant or common on roads to remind the driver many times so he can't forget it and also placing many lights because and making many turns and making turns common and making the turns wider and making lights so common on roads so everybody can see that what is happening and also if there is no traffic police so assembling robots or some system or screen for guidance or the turn that who should do what move. That's all, sir.
Very good. बहुत बढ़िया. बहुत बढ़िया. शाबाश. Now, Vaishnavi,
Yes, sir.
आजा बेटा.
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. My name is Vaishnavi. I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from B18. And sir has given us a new topic whose name is traffic jam. So I'm talking about this.
हाँ बोल बेटा बोल अच्छा बोल रही. हाँ.
Yes, sir. As we know that traffic jam is a very common problem in the world, and a traffic jam is a situation where many vehicles are stopped on road and move slowly at the road due to overcrowding
हाँ.
and traffic jam is a very common problem in the world, and I'm telling about the causes of the traffic jam. Uh, there is a lacking of focus and sometimes people drive their vehicles at the wrong side and sometimes people park their vehicles at the wrong side and they does not
Do not.
follow the traffic rules
हाँ. थोड़ा फोकस कर बेटा. हाँ.
and as we know that population is increasing day by day obviously so vehicles are also increasing day by day
हाँ. Very good.
and now I am telling about the preventions of the traffic jam. We should follow traffic rules and we should take high patience to drive vehicles and we should not in hurry and we should make strict traffic rules and we should not take risk
Very good. Very good. बहुत बढ़िया। हाँ,
Yes, sir.
कोई बात नहीं, ठीक है बेटा। अभी तेरा थोड़ा सा गैप भी आ गया ना, लंबा गैप आ गया ना तेरा,
Yes, sir.
इसलिए थोड़ा सा कोई बात नहीं बेटा, 1-2 दिन में ठीक हो जाएगा बेटा, है ना। थोड़ा सा फोकस करोगे, रूटीन आएगा तो ठीक हो जाएगा। ओके बेटा। यस कबीर,
Yes, sir.
कबीर
Hello,
साहब।
everyone.
हाँ
Sir, मेरी आवाज
बिल्कुल आ रही है, पूरी पूरी आ रही है, बढ़िया आ रही है, बोलो फटाफट से।
Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. My name is Kabir. I am a student of Rambod Online Interactive Classes from HB18. Today's my topic is traffic jam. As we all know that we are working and we use many devices of science. Vehicles is one of them. By the vehicles, there are many traffic jam take place.
हाँ
uh, because there are many people who don't follow the rules of traffic jams or the rules of government. We can see that there are many children who drive their
बेटा देखना, मैंने बोला
their
बंद कर दी ना।
vehicle or their parents vehicle on the highways, but they have not any license or any license or any experience, so that's why they they traffic on the road, and the accident is also a big accident is also a big reason of traffic jam, because people started watching the accident, and this is the biggest reason of the traffic jam.
हाँ
uh, we can see that there are many people which we called traffic police, who
whom
we called
नहीं, whom we call। हाँ
whom we call traffic police. They do many security, but people don't सर सुधरते नहीं है का मतलब
people
सर
don't get on right ways। हाँ
they don't go on right ways, and we can also see that there are a lot of vehicles drive on highways, but people open their 30 or shops on the highways, so that's why it is also become a traffic jam reason.
हाँ हाँ
Yes sir, that's it.
वेरी गुड। आज तो काफी अच्छा तूने, हमेशा रोजाना अच्छा से करता, थोड़ा फोकस रखा कर बेटा, है ना बेटा। हाँ सुना, अपनी अपनी रिकॉर्डिंग को सुना जरूर करो, तुम क्या बोल रहे हो तुम। यस रिया। हाँ बेटा।
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. I am a student of Ramar Interactive Classes from batch 20. Today, my topic is traffic jam. Traffic jam on the road are a very common thing. Many reasons of traffic jam. Roadside, wrong side driving on the road. Don't focus on the road when we are driving. Using earbuds, music are a reason of traffic jam. Don't focus on the traffic signal. Large number of vehicles on the road, a big reason of traffic jam. Encroachment. Now I'm telling about some solution of traffic jam. We should not riding wrong side on the road.
हाँ, मेरे को देखो, मेरी आंखों में देख के बोलो।
Focus on the road when we are driving road.
हाँ हाँ
Riding on the road, or focus focus on the road. Don't use earbuds, music on the road.
शाबाश, ऐसे बोलो, घबराओ मत। सामने देखो मेरे को, नीचे क्यों देखते हो? नजर नीचे क्यों गई? ऐसे मुंह सामने देख करके बोला करो, डर लगता है क्या? घबराते क्यों? सामने
नहीं।
देखो, ऐसे ऐसे देखो, जैसे मैं देख रहा हूँ, ऐसे ऊपर देखो, ऐसे सामने, फिर बोलो ऐसे। हाँ
On the road,
हाँ
on the road, when we are riding, follow all traffic rule very strictly. That's it.
बहुत बढ़िया। अब हो जाएगी तो ठीक है, अभी बीच में तेरा गैप लग गया ना इतना, इसलिए चक्कर हो गया। अब 24 तारीख वाले बैच में ज्वाइन करना है ना,
Yes,
मेरे को
sir.
भी और मुस्कान को भी, दोनों को। हाँ, मेरे को बता देना कौन सा नंबर ऐड करना है। रश्मि आ जा बेटा।
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. My name is Rashmi. Now, my topic is the traffic jams, reasons of traffic jams, and the solution of traffic jams. Today, the biggest problem in every country is traffic jam. In most of the house, we found two or more vehicles.
आराम से, घबरा क्यों रही है?
The reasons of traffic jams are the most common reason of traffic jam is increasing population and vehicles and increase vehicles day by day.
हाँ
Sometimes traffic jams happen due to strike. Some people drive vehicles wrong side.
वेरी गुड, बस ऐसे बोलो धीरे धीरे, शाबाश।
Sometimes accident cause traffic jam. Sometimes accident cause traffic jam. In our India, road conditions are not good, but the vehicles increasing day by day.
Vehicles are increasing
In the
कोई बात नहीं, अच्छा बोल रही है बेटा, फोकस करो, बिल्कुल मत घबरा। हाँ बोलती रहे।
in the monsoon, road are full of water. Because of this, the accident chance are too much. And because of the accidents, the traffic jam also occur. Some traffic jams are due to cultural and political rallies.
अरे बहुत बढ़िया,
occur.
शाबाश, वेरी गुड बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया। अरे शाबाश, बोलती रहे ऐसी, फोकस कर बस। कुछ नहीं है बेटा, बोल।
Sometimes some minister visit any state. The traffic jam also occurs because of that. Most of the time, traffic jams happen due to the infrastructures of Indian roads and bridges. Accident cause traffic jams. In our India, the lacking of roads and narrow roads, and also narrow roads in our India. Sometimes roads get locked. These are the reasons. The solutions are: we should improve our roads and make highways. We should follow traffic rules. Traffic police should focus on their duties.
Very good, शाबाश।
That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड। ये नेचुरली स्पीकिंग है बेटा, है ना? शाबाश। घबराहट कम हो गई है, अब और कम करना है बेटा इसको। घबराना डरना तो है ही नहीं बेटा, है ना? डरना किस चीज से? यस, मुस्कान आ जा।
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. I am in interactive classes. Today, my topic is traffic rules. In India has many gathering. People has many vehicles like
ऐस नहीं है।
bike,
हाँ बोल 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 बोल, तू चल बोल, नहीं बोला, मैं नहीं बोला, तू बोल।
car, scooty, etc.
आराम से बोल, फोकस करके बोल, जल्दबाजी मत करा।
And people has
Many need road highways for driving vehicles.
हाँ
And sometimes uh, in India,
हाँ
um, many ट्रैफिक हो इकट्ठा हो जाता है सर क्या
हैं
बोलेंगे ट्रैफिक इकट्ठा हो जाता है एक
there is
जगह
too
पे
much, there are too many vehicles, there is too much rush of traffic, ऐसे बोल दो.
there are two rest of and sometimes people sometimes people uh, don't focus driving sometimes people listening song uh, talking on mobile and etc.
Hmm.
Sometimes uh, some- sometimes से
हो गया?
इकट्ठा हो जाते हैं
क्या हो जाता है?
इकट्ठा हो जाते हैं
बताया था ना अभी, क्या इकट्ठा हो जाता है?
सर से लोग इकट्ठा हो जाते हैं ना जब
People gather.
people gather sometimes people gather and in celebrate or celebrate
हाँ
uh, and people sometimes people don't follow traffic lights don't listen uh, don't listen traffic man
Hmm.
i'm I'm talking solution of traffic
Hmm.
traffic uh, focus we focus we focus on driving and
Should focus,
and
कोई बात नहीं, बोल दो.
start, start driving slowly and uh, don't drive car child
Hmm.
and we follow traffic rules that
कोई बात नहीं. तो आप बैच ज्वाइन करो बेटा, 24 तारीख से, है ना? जरूरी है तुम्हारे लिए भी बहुत ज़्यादा. यस मधु, आ जाओ.
Yes, sir.
बोल बेटा.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Madhu Kumari Meena. I am the student of Raman Interactive Classes from Batch 20. Today, my topic is traffic jam. Traffic jam is a common problem in city and towns. Um, Traffic jam create our carelessness and the population is increasing day by day. People increase vehicle day by day, and people drive fast. People drive fast, and they do not follow traffic rules,
शाबाश.
and some people put their vehicles in and everywhere. This is
the reason of traffic jam,
घबराए मत, आराम से बोलती जा. हाँ.
and some children does not have any license and good experience. They drive bike and any other vehicles, and due to bad weather condition, uh, traffic jam create. Sometimes because of heavy rain, uh, gets collected water, and bad condition of roads create traffic jam, and bad condition of drains create traffic jam. There are many solutions of traffic jam. Road condition should be prepared by government
Should be
and
improved. हाँ, बोल बोलो.
be improved.
Should improve. रोड कंडीशन बोल दिया ना आपने.
हाँ सर.
उसके लिए तो फिर इम्प्रूव ही आएगा ना आगे. रिपेयर कैसे आएगा? कोई बात नहीं, आगे बोलो.
And people should follow traffic rules.
शाबाश शाबाश, घबराओ मत बिल्कुल भी.
And people keep focus and concentration while driving, and we must be patient while driving, and we do not put anywhere their vehicles
Should not आना चाहिए.
should not
कोई बात नहीं, मैं बोला रहा हूँ. हाँ.
their vehicles, and we should not drive wrong path and wrong side their vehicles. That's it, sir.
ये सबसे प्यारा सीन देखो आज का. लग रहा है जैसे बैठ के रामलीला देख रहे हैं. आ जाओ. चलो, बहुत अच्छी बात है. वेरी गुड. मुस्कान, ये मधु, डरा मत कर मधु, अभी है ना. हाँ, ये भी थोड़े दिन में आ जाएगा. जितना बिना डरे करोगे उतना ज्यादा अच्छा आएगा तुम्हारा, है ना. हाँ बेटा, डरने का तो कोई मतलब ही नहीं है यार. डरने का क्या होता है. यस, नाउ खुशी गुजर और बाकी के नाम लिखो अपने. एक को भी नहीं छोड़ूंगा मैं. ये रामलीला देखने वाले भी अपना नाम लिखे, किसका रह गया है इसमें. हाँ, आ जाओ खुशी.
Yes, sir.
हाँ खुशी.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Khushi Gujjar. My topic is the reason of the traffic jam.
चलो अपने
The traffic jam are very common nowadays because the number of vehicles increase day by day.
हाँ, बोल बेटा.
There is more traffic jam in the morning and evening
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया बोला. हाँ.
time. People put their vehicles everywhere.
एनीवेयर ज्यादा अच्छा है. बोल वो भी.
Anywhere.
हाँ, शाबाश शाबाश, बोल. बहुत अच्छा बोल रही है. ऐसे बोलती रहे बस. चाहे 10 सेंटेंस ही बोल, तो कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ बोल. हाँ.
Due to repair and construction work on the road,
हाँ.
so roads are blocked.
वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया.
Due to heavy rain
बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड.
and vehicles speed slow.
Hmm.
Narrow roads are major problem.
हाँ, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. फोकस कर बस टॉपिक के ऊपर, और कुछ मत सोच. सेंटेंस अपने आप बन जाएंगे.
Population increase day by day. I'm telling about the solution of the
हाँ, हाँ,
traffic jam.
हाँ.
People must follow the traffic rules.
हाँ, वेरी गुड.
Government should make the roads big. And that's it, sir.
कोई बात नहीं है. खुशी, मुस्कान और आदित्य, ये तीनों जने लिखेंगे अपना अच्छा सा और व्हाट्सएप पे पोस्ट करेंगे. ठीक है ना? कोई कॉपी नहीं करेगा, ग्रुप में ही डाल देना बेशक. अच्छे से लिखो, आराम से पूरा टाइम लेके लिखो बेटा, है ना? और लिख करके इसको पोस्ट करो. नाम बता दिए मैंने, रिपीट कर दिए मैंने. खुशी, आदित्य और एक और था, मुस्कान. और जितने लोगों को भी प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, ये लोग अभी 24 को जो बैच चालू हो रहा है, इसको ज्वाइन करो आप एक बार. ठीक है? हाँ, इफ यू हैव टाइम, इफ यू हैव नेट, देन आप ज्वाइन करो क्लास एक बार. बस अब के एक बार करोगे तो फिर हो जाएगी प्रॉब्लम ये खत्म सारी की सारी. यस प्रिया, करनी पड़ेगी आपको. अभी तो महीने 2 महीने में खत्म हो जाएगी, थोड़ा सा कर करोगे, बाद में जो दिक्कत करेगी ये चीजें. यस प्रिया, और केवल थोड़ा सा एजिटेशन दूर होने के लिए, थोड़ा सा डर लगता है उसके लिए केवल. यस प्रिया, कहाँ है प्रिया?
सर आवाज आ रही है?
हाँ, आ रही है.
Yes. Hello everyone, my name is Priya Meena. I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Class. Today's our topic is reasons of traffic jam.
Hmm.
So first I'm telling about the definition of traffic jam. So a traffic jam is a situation on a road where a large number of vehicles are stopped and or moving slowly and then becomes difficulty to coming and going vehicles. Now I'm telling the reasons of first lack of traffic rules. So India is a country where people where the people सर आप डिम चलाते हैं इसको क्या बोलते हैं?
People do not listen to anyone, they do their own.
Where the
They act
people do not
according to their wish. हाँ बोलो.
listen where the people listen to others and always do like do as they wish and first so it may cause of traffic jam like road accidents because they do not follow the traffic rules and because of it uh, uh, on many places at many places traffic there are traffic jams. Second is the when a politician or a comes roads are blocked and it may cause it it cause also the traffic jam. And third is road construction. Sometimes the roads are damaged, so because of it the roads are blocked and there is only one route that a lot of vehicles are there, so it is also the reason of traffic jam. And in India there is a lack of roads and highways so that it is also a reason of traffic jam. And there are few roads and there is only one way to go, going and coming. So there is a lot of rush on the road. And in India, population rate also increasing, so it is also a reason of traffic jam. And every people have
हाँ, all people, every बेटा singular होता है, people plural
the
होता है.
people
हाँ,
has their
every बंद
own
कर दो. हाँ,
vehicle. And now I'm telling the solutions of traffic jams. First, we should not use private vehicles in our daily lifestyle. We should use train,
public
buses,
vehicles, very good.
public vehicles, and also bicycle. Or we should use the option of bicycle or walking also. And government should develop also ring road or bypass road so that traffic can be reduced, traffic jam. Or we should manage the traffic system also. The traffic management should also improve the parking area or the area also. And they improve the pollution. So these are the solutions of traffic jam. That's it, sir.
Very good, बहुत बढ़िया. Yes, come on. अंजलि कहाँ है अंजलि?
Yes, sir.
नाम नहीं लिखा मैडम आपने अभी तक अपना. लिखो फटाफट से अपना. और नाउ काजल काम. कहाँ है काजल?
एक मिनट शोर हो रहा है बहुत ज्यादा.
ये सबसे अपना नंबर में लास्ट में क्यों लिखती है तू?
सर मैं
हाँ, क्या बात है? Why your name is at last?
सर मैं
आगे रहने की कोशिश करनी चाहिए. समझ में आ गई बात. अब चलो बोलो.
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. My name is Kajal Meena. Today, my topic is traffic jam. There are many reasons of traffic jam. Sometimes many people put their vehicles everywhere. So this is reason of traffic jam. And bad condition of roads are also a reason of traffic jams.
हाँ,
And uh, many people don't follow traffic
Peoples नहीं,
rules.
people होता है. People में कभी भी ऐसे नहीं लगाते. हाँ,
People ही बोला सर ऐसे नहीं.
ठीक, okay. चलो बोलो.
Sometimes many people don't follow traffic rules. And uh, they drive their vehicles very fast. And this is the reason of traffic jam. And sometimes many big celebrities are coming on the road. This is the reason of traffic jam.
Very good,
And
very good, very good. Nice point. Huh? Yes.
the large number of vehicles is the also
Very good,
reason of
very good, very good.
and
now I am telling about many solution of the traffic jams.
मैनी की जगह
Uh,
सम अच्छा लगता है, मैनी थोड़ा सा अच्छा नहीं लगता है, गलत नहीं है ग्रामेटिकली, लेकिन है ना, सम बोल
uh,
के मैनी बता दो आप, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, मैनी बोल के सम रह जाएंगे तो दिक्कत हो जाएगी।
okay, sir.
हाँ
Now I am telling about many solutions, some solutions of this jam. Uh, we should follow traffic rules, and we should not drive our vehicles fast, and we should not put our vehicles everywhere,
हाँ,
and um, and the government prepare the road prepare the road condition good, and uh, we should not use mobile phone while driving, and we should we should follow traffic rules. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया। कोशिश क्या करो, ऐसे डरो, डरा मत करो, डरने का कुछ नहीं होता है बेटा, सच कह रहा हूँ मैं बात, और खुशी से सबसे ज्यादा कह रहा हूँ मैं, कि डर डर के अपनी सारी परफॉर्मेंस बेकार कर लेती है। खुशी तू लिखने की बजाय मेरे को रिकॉर्डिंग करके डालना, वीडियो और मेरी पर्सनल आईडी पे डालना उसको, ठीक है ना, मेरी पर्सनल आईडी पे डालना, और वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग डालना, ऑडियो नहीं वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग डालना मेरी पर्सनल आईडी पे, आराम से जब भी तेरा मन करे बैठ जाना तसल्ली से, बिना घबराए, कुछ कोई भी नहीं होगा, तू ही होगी केवल जो खुद को सुन रही होगी, सारा कमरा बंद करके बैठ जाना बेशक बेटा, और एक बार उसको अच्छे से रिकॉर्डिंग करके डालना, तैयारी कुछ भी मत करना अभी, बस जब तेरा मन हो जब रिकॉर्डिंग करना चालू करना और मेरे को डाल देना, बिल्कुल फ्री होकर के माइंड से, है ना बेटा, लिखना मत, उसको रिकॉर्डिंग करके डालना। यस अंजू मैडम, अंजू भी अपना नाम नहीं लिखती है,
Yes, sir.
सोचती है बच जाऊं तो बढ़िया है।
Hello, everyone.
बोल,
सर प्रिया बोल रही थी तब लिखती हूँ फिर।
प्रिया, क्या प्रिया का नाम तो आ गया?
Yes, sir.
हाँ
Hello, everyone.
बोल बेटा।
My name is Anjali Meena. Today I am telling about traffic jam.
हाँ
Nowadays, traffic jam is very common situation in the world.
हाँ हाँ
Uh, there are there are a lot of reason of traffic jams. First reason is natural calamities. Natural calamities can be the reason of traffic jam, like snowfall, rainy season, earthquake, etc. Second is political rallies. Uh, Political rallies sometimes are the reason of traffic jam. Third is road accident. Road accidents also can be the reason of traffic jam. Fourth is bad condition of roads is reason is traffic jam. Five is present time population is increasing day by day.
शाबाश शाबाश शाबाश, बहुत अच्छा, वेरी गुड।
I am telling about some solutions of traffic jam. We should use traffic follow traffic rules, and we should use public transport, and government should make more roads. That's it, sir.
है यार, परफॉर्मेंस तो सबका मजेदार है, बहुत बढ़िया है, वेरी गुड, मतलब अमेजिंग यार, आपको थोड़ा सा बताने के बाद यू आर डूइंग विदाउट एनी इटरेशन, दिस इज वेरी नाइस थिंग, थैंक यू वेरी मच।